and let's see if it lives up to the hype and the success of this guy. How do you unwrap? Oh gosh. Oh, that could have ended very badly. Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing a brand new launch by Revlon. They just released another multi-stylers called the Revlon 2-in-1 multi-styler. It is a hair straightener as well as a hair curler. Obviously, we know the huge success that Revlon had with this tool here, and I think that they come up with amazing products and they do an awesome job coming up with affordable products that a girl on a budget can get her hands on. All right, this tool looks like this. It's a hot pink color. This is supposed to be a curler and a straightener all in one. Look at that. That is pretty neat. It definitely piqued my interest. I initially thought that these bristles would be more soft bristles, kind of like this one, but they are more like hard plasticky bristles. And it's supposed to give you soft curls and volume as well as straighten. Cool feature with this guy really quick is that it comes with a lock. So if you are curling it, you can use it as just a curling wand, and it comes with a soft safety grip here so you don't burn your hands. I'm just going to start off by straightening, and then I'm going to see how well or how much of a curl I can get with this tool here. I could not find it anywhere else. Ulta was the only place that I found that was selling this product, and let's see if it lives up to the hype and the success of this guy. And let's just get into it. My hair is normally pretty straight anyways, so I can't really give you like a crazy good comparison, but I can tell you how smooth it goes down. Give you a look of a little bit of shine here. It's not too bad, looking pretty good as far as shine goes. Let's keep going. You know what I do notice as I am bringing my hair into the straightening chamber, I don't feel like it has a strong enough grip, really. It almost looks like there's too much space between the plates as I'm straightening my hair. I'm not sure how well of a job this will do straightening very curly hair. Again, I have naturally straight hair, so for me to get it a little bit smoother is not really a big deal. But if you're dealing with more frizz, more curl, I'm not sure if this is going to cut it. Space between the plates, which I guess they do for if you have extra thick hair, maybe, I don't know. But I feel like with my thin hair, as I slide it through, it's almost like it doesn't want to grip in there too much, but we're just gonna keep going. Crazy thing is, when I was like younger, like maybe a teenager, if I didn't see steam coming out of my straightener, I was like, oh, this isn't working. But as soon as I saw like hot steam coming out from the plates, I'm like, yup, it's a good one. This one, that means it's working. That means it was frying my hair, which is why I had super thin hair when I was a teenager, and I couldn't figure it out why, but that's because I was literally using the highest heat setting on everything, because if you don't see steam, it's not working. It did a decent job. I can't say that it's like wow amazing, but it did get the job done. But let's actually try curling and see where that gets us. So I'm going to try and use this as a normal curler. The box says that this is going to create soft curls and volume, so I'm just gonna go in like I normally would and do like a, oh no. I'm trying to do just like a normal wrap curl around the barrel. Okay. Oh, the cool thing is, I guess, is that if you wrap it around the bristles, you can technically let it go and have your coffee. Yeah, multitasking, I like it. I'm hoping that this actually works now. And then how do you unwrap? Oh gosh, no. Oh, that could have ended very badly. Okay, so he got a little tangled. Wow, that was freaking scary. Okay. Okay, that gave me like a soft subtle wave. So I'm not sure how to use this as a curler, I'll be honest with you. The regular wrap method does not seem to work. It just tangles my hair, and my hair is not that long. It's medium length hair, so if you have longer hair, I don't see how this would work for curling like a normal curling iron. I'm going to try to somehow wrap it around the bristles and then kind of curling up and then out and see if that would work. It does tug at the hair, I will say that much. Okay. Yeah, that just pulled half my hair out. Oh, well, so it creates like a little wave here, which is cute. I have a feeling that you're not going to be able to use this as a normal barrel, but let's just keep going and see if I can achieve some texture or some volume. Okay, there we go. But like, am I just going to look like Farrah Fawcett or the before straight? This is with me doing my best efforts to curl. It basically just curls your ends. It does look pretty, it looks cute, but is it worth a whole new product and all that effort? I really wanted to love this. I thought this was going to be something a little bit different than what it actually is. I think it's well made. I love the grip right here, but these hard bristles hurt pretty bad even when I've combed through my hair. Like as soon as I start kind of twirling, it starts to snag right here at the bottom. And again, I have medium length hair. If you have long hair, I just don't see how this would work for you. Maybe if you have shorter hair, this might work better. I don't know, but let me try to do this side as well. And like, I'm super scared to wrap this all the way up my head because it's going to get tangled. Like this is legit going to get tangled, and then I'll end up having to cut a chunk of my hair out or sizzling it off. I already feel it. Oh, so yeah, these are the curls that this wand is going to achieve. All right, let's try one more. Oh. Flip it back. Oh, well, that's a little bit nicer. It helps to frame your face a little bit. Maybe if you have layers, this would be awesome. But basically, so this is not a curler. I would not call it a straightener and a curler in one. It does straighten. It doesn't really curl. It just kind of gives you a nice bit of texture towards the bottom of your hair. That's all that I really see it doing. See that? I mean, it's nice. It looks good. Is it worth buying a whole new tool for it? I don't know. Especially one that can potentially like tangle your hair and burn it off. I'm a little scared. All right, my friends, so here are my final takeaways. Overall, it's a well-made product, but it just is not good enough for me to be a purchase. Personally, if you already have a straightener and you already have a curler that's 1 inch, I would keep that, and I would not buy this product to replace those other two. The straightener was okay, wasn't anything to rave about, and the curler wasn't a curler in sense. It was more of like, I don't know, it was a volumizer, or like it just brought a little bit of texture and fun to your hair. There's no way that you're going to be able to create ringlet curls or any kind of like waves with this curler, simply because it's going to get stuck in your hair, and I feel like there's a risk of you tangling your hair, especially if your hair is pretty long. Again, I'm medium length hair and I ran into that problem. I thought the end result was nice. It's pretty, like it wasn't anything wow or fantastic, but this is something I can achieve with my 1 inch curler at home by simply rolling up the bottoms of my hair and letting go, and I'm done. If you're someone who travels, I can see the benefit in this tool because you can take it along with you, and you know that if you wanted to add a little bit of texture, a little bit of fun to your hair quickly, as well as have a straightener on hand, this is a 2-in-1 that would be useful to you. But unless you are traveling, to have it at home and replace 2 of your tools, it's just not gonna cut it for me. So for me, this is a pass. I still love Revlon. I think they come out with amazing things, and I cannot wait to see what else they end up coming up with so I can try that out too. But for now, this one was a no-go for me. And you know what? If you purchase this and you have a completely different experience, or you find a way to create an actual curl using this tool, please let me know. I would love to know how it works for you. Maybe for other people, it works out completely different than it did for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure that you are subscribed, that you like this video, and you leave me a comment down in the section below. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one.